Hello everyone, this is Pradeep. So today I'm going to talk about how to how to update an Excel without using for each loop. So for sometimes we may be having lakhs or 50 lakhs above data, and if we are going to use for each loop to update those, and it is quite time consuming. So instead of going with for each loop, we have another method to update an Excel called Invoke Code. So I'll do that. So basically I have created a sample Excel called this employee name and status with those two column names. So I'm just updating all these two, yes, and I will write some condition only to for particular employee to update. So let's see that. I will save this and then close this. So first off, we need to read that. So this is my read range. Let me just copy the file path. So basically when we are reading a huge number of data or updating used data, so usually we'll go with this method. It's quite fast and accurate also. So creating a .dt and my sheet name, you can choose the added us. If you have it, you can preserve the format also. So once you are done with this, you need to add invoke code activity. So first thing you need to make sure you need to add arguments. This is my data table, so I'll name it same as it is, and the direction should be in and out, and the type is data table, and the variable of that. I'm going to write a code such as it has to upload it. So we'll call the function, we'll call the variable of dt dot as enumerable. We are putting the entire data to a list. Now we are using a for each, calling a for each function here. Now we are calling a function sub of I'm declaring a placeholder here. Row is my variable. So if I place this row of, I need to update the second column, which is row of 01. Row of 01 is equal to double quotes valid. That's it. So once this is done, you close this and use the right range activity. We'll pass the same Excel path and the outdt. So we'll make sure the headers are added. So I'm going to run this. Okay. See, as you can see, it's updated. So let's say I want to update only Chris record. How do you do that? Basically, you need to create another data table, filter it. We'll just assign a new assign activity. You can write that in a link query. I'll just open in a panel editor. Basically, we need to write now dt. Let's not that from a row in how dt dot as enumerable. So we are to write these queries also we have done same video on this or same topic. You can just check the link in the description, where row of 0 dot to string. Let's go with contains boy name Chris. Then select row dot copy to data table. So this will give me only the for each, only the Chris record. Okay, so let's debug step into. I'll show you one by one. So I'm going to step into read range. As you can see, I'll just print the data table. As you can see, we have data of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records. And if I run this, again I'm going to just clearing this data. Now dt, see, it's filtered out for only Chris. Now we'll run this and edit. That's so we'll go check this updated Excel called Chris. Okay, we should have removed the first one. Okay, so basically it updated on a A1. You can do this using Excel application scope. That's it. Yes guys, this is it. We'll continue for the next. In the coming session, I'll try to explain the remaining Invoke Code method activities in updating list or others. Thank you.